So in order to clean up once you have mixed this into a paste, is that you can use your paper towels that are provided, and because I had a little bit of extra, I got rid of that off of the lid, and you just want to use your paper towel to wipe off any excess, and then use your paper towel as well in terms of using that craft stick and scraping as much of this cream mixture onto your paper towel or directly into the garbage, but we are assuming we don't have any water for cleanup. So if you can do your very best job to scrape out as much as you can so that the bowl is relatively clean, you can discard this into the garbage can later, and then I can use 2 other pieces of paper towel just in terms of wiping down the edge of the bowl and on the inside to try to get as much of that cream mixture out of the bowl as possible. Just to give it a swipe for the next group so it's not sticky. And then you can do the same with cleaning out that cornstarch using your paper towels. Whatever way works for you, but again, we're assuming we don't have any water, and then you can put everything back together and you can get rid of your waste in the garbage can.